This is my video update for August. It is now the 28th of August, and I'd like to wish all my friends who are going to the Special Olympics in Bath all the best. Don't fall into the Roman baths, because they can be quite hot and you might get scalded quite badly. I played football last night, only did one thing wrong, and I was lambasted for it, really lambasted for it, and I was told that I was not only a poor football player, but a bad person as well, who deserves nothing but bad sausages. So that was last night's football. I usually go out on Wednesday, but I've got no money anymore. I've spent it all. Mainly on sausages and chops. Can you get chopped sausages? Chops in sausages. Anyway, just going back, I'd like to wish everyone all the best for the Special Olympics. This Saturday, I will be appearing at the Riverside. Maybe taking a penalty or walking around the pitch. I don't know if they want me to make a speech of some sort, but the last speech I didn't go too well. I actually got asked to leave. I mentioned space hoppers and flakes. The summer is nearly over, and it's soon be autumn. Just starts the death of the year and Christmas. It's been a hard year for myself and my family. Unfortunately, some of my family members haven't made it through the year, which is very sad. But I'm still here. I necessarily don't think that's a good thing. I'd just like to mention a Badger. I think it's barbaric and wrong, and I think Cameron and his government, who I voted in, have let me down. All they've done is pick on the weak, disabled, and animals, and they've also let down the armed forces as well, with cutbacks, with lads losing their jobs. Bye.